What is the difference between which and that? So we use which when we add non-essential, not very important information to the sentence. For example, my phone, which is an iPhone, is not working. Now, when I say which is an iPhone, it's not really important. It's totally not essential. I'm just adding it to the sentence, but if I didn't add it to the sentence, the meaning would still be the same, because what matters the most is that my phone isn't working. Now, what to do about that? So we use that when we add important or essential information to the sentence. For example, my phone that I just bought is not working. Now, what I said about after that I just bought is very important. It is essential because I'm saying that my phone is not working, but I just bought it last week. So it's very important information. So that is the difference between which and that. Follow for more.